we don't waste time. Enemies circling all around. We gotta crumble. It's a concrete jungle, but we ain't run out of time. Just make a dime. It's that thug life shit. Pain and strife, I won't give up. Nigga, that ain't what I'm at. Show you my skills. I don't need no fancy cars or pills. Round for them deals. It'll give you chills. Just a bigger name. It ain't changed. I leave it stained. No need to explain. Success the best. I don't settle for less. Build on my will. Staying true to myself. Wear my crown, you ain't bringing me down. Ain't nothing gonna stand in my way, trapping all day. Keep that shit sharp, razor blade. I made it by any means, chasing my dreams. Stop feeding my kin, I ain't no kid. I'm out of control, they feeling my flow. Find my way on a summer day. That's what they say, no time to hesitate. Riding above and they feeling the hate. Grind never fades, always getting paid. Ain't no time to hesitate. Yeah, I place my bet straight. Won't let nobody speculate. Watch me elevate. Nobody led me astray. No time to play. That's the only way. Grind all day. That's unshakable. I'm unbreakable. Always winning, never switching. That's my mission. You know I reside in. Keep on climbing. Ain't no denying. They can't stand it. Ain't nothing new. Pouring up on my crew. They holding me down with the top down. Yeah, I'm always hustling. I ain't worried about nothing. Yeah, I'm reaching for the fame. Always maintaining. That's gonna change. That's just a game, we ain't never gonna buy it. That's ride or die. We can't be compromised, no fear in my eyes. Yeah, I'm living large, big in charge. Can't be holding me back, I chase the bag, you know we tough, we ain't give up. Can't ever get enough, yeah we piling up. Whole team on track, gotta watch my pockets filled with racks. Keep on moving with a splash. I'm just trying to stack my cash, I don't need no counterfeit. You know my whole crew walking designer fits. Made out of concrete, rise above the heat. With my gang running real deep.